A Centre Snorkel can be used to help you familiarise yourself with the neutral face-down head positioning required for butterfly and freestyle swimming strokes. Place the snorkel on your head so that the pad at the front sits in a comfortable position on your forehead and the strap at the back holds the snorkel in place. Before swimming, ensure that the tube part of the snorkel fits over your head in a straight line and sits out of the water. This allows you to swim with a neutral face-down head position, keeping the body as straight as possible without needing to turn the head to breathe. Using the Centre Snorkel lets you focus on your kick and positioning technique.